Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the incoming call vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the option button at the top, and from the pop-up menu, choose Settings. In Settings, tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone, and in here, tap on Call Vibration Pattern. Now by default it is set to sync with ringtone, so in here you can choose short, medium, basic call, heartbeat, and some other vibration pattern as well. So select one of the vibration pattern, and then you can tap on the back key here to go back. Now if you want to use vibration, make sure that you turn on vibrate while ringing. This is switch off by default. And in here you can see if you choose silent, your phone will not vibrate as well. So if you want to use vibration, make sure it is not in silent, and make sure that vibrate while ringing is turned on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the phone app, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.